This is going to be a quick video, but this is what happens when Mother Nature gets pissed. This is my neighbor's house, and there's his truck. You can see it landed on it. And all that. It just crushed it. And it's all on top of his house up there. He saved his boat and everything, but the insurance company had them bring a crew out and take this massive tree, as you can tell, massive tree down, and they're actually taking it over to my house so I can use it as firewood. But the family's fine. It just freak windstorm came through and just took this tree out that's been sitting here for over 50 years or more. Put it right on this gentleman's house. So if you get high winds, just be careful. You never know what can happen. Like I said, this is a massive tree. It goes all the way from right there all the way across into his front door, and it was a good 50 feet or so away from the house, and it just tore it up, took it out. So be careful, guys, if you get bad storms.